Question number 14. Integration of dx by 1 plus root x square root of x minus x square. To observe that here x minus x square, if minus is there, let x is equal to, here square is there, but here root x is there. Let x is equal to sine square theta. Let x is equal to sine square theta. This is substitution method problem. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of x1 dx equal to sine square theta 2 sine theta cos theta d theta. Substitute in dx 2 sine theta cos theta d theta, 2 sine theta cos theta d theta by root x is equal to sine square theta, root sine square theta sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Here square root of x is equal to sine square theta whole square, sine power 4 theta. Here sine square theta is common. Integration of 2 sine theta cos theta d theta by 1 plus sine theta in square root. Sine square theta is common. Sine square theta into 1 minus sine square theta. Here sine square theta, the square root of sine square theta is sine theta. 1 minus sine square theta, 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. Cos square theta root is cos theta. Sine theta cos theta. Integration of 2 sine theta cos theta d theta by 1 plus sine theta into sine square theta square root sine theta. Here 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. The root is get cancelled. Square and root cos theta. Sine theta cos theta sine theta cos theta get cancelled. 2 by 1 plus sine theta d theta. In numerator and denominator multiplied with 1 minus sine theta. 2 into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta. 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta d theta. 2 into 1 minus sine theta by 1 plus sine theta into 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta d theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. 1 minus sine theta by cos square theta d theta. Here split into two functions. 1 by cos square theta secant square theta. Sin theta by cos square theta. Sin theta by cos theta tan theta. 1 by cos theta secant theta. Secant theta into cos theta d theta equal to integration of secant square theta tan theta. Integration of secant theta integration of secant theta tan theta. Here sin theta by cos square theta, sin theta by cos theta tan theta, 1 by cos theta secant theta. Integration of secant theta tan theta secant theta plus c. Here sin square theta is equal to x. This is changed into sin form. Sin tan theta sin theta by cos theta secant theta 1 by cos theta plus c. Here cos theta is LCM. 2 into sin theta minus 1 by cos theta. Cos theta is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. 2 into sin theta minus 1 by root of 1 minus sin square theta plus c. X is equal to sin square theta. Sin theta is equal to root x. 2 into root x minus 1 by, here sin square theta is equal to x. Root of 1 minus x plus c. This is the answer. Question number 15. Integration of dx by x square into x square plus a square. Here to observe that in x, let x equal to a tan theta. If plus is there, to take tan theta. If minus is there, to take cos theta. Here a is there, a tan theta. Let x equal to a tan theta. Dx equal to, differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dx equal to a secant square theta d theta. Integration of dx a secant square theta d theta by x equal to a tan theta, a square tan square theta, square root of x square plus a square. In x, a square tan square theta plus a square. Here a square is common. A square is common. 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. Square root of secant square theta, secant theta. A square root a. A secant square theta d theta. A square tan square theta. Here a square is common. Tan square theta plus 1 is secant square theta. Square root of a square is a into 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta. The square root is secant theta. Here a get cancelled. Secant square theta secant theta. 1 by a square, integration of secant theta by tan square theta d theta. To observe that here d by dx of tan x is secant square x. If secant theta by tan square theta is there, to be converted into sin cos form. 1 by a square, secant theta is 1 by cos theta, tan square theta, sin square theta by cos square theta d theta. Cos theta get cancelled. Integration of 1 by a square, integration of cos theta by sin square theta d theta. Here to observe that d by d theta of sin theta is cos theta. Here in one formula, integration of f dash x by f of x dx, f of x whole square. Integration of f dash x by f of x whole square dx is equal to minus 1 by f of x plus c. This is the formula. Here sin theta is f of theta. Sin theta differentiation is cos theta. It is in the form of integration of f dash x by f of x whole square dx. 1 by a square minus 1 by sin theta plus c. Here x is equal to a tan theta. Tan theta is equal to x by a. Tan theta is equal to x by a. To find sin, x equal to opposite side. Opposite side is equal to x. Adjacent side equal to a. Hypotenuse square root of x square plus a square. Here sin theta is equal to opposite by x by root of x square plus a square, opposite by hypotenuse. Minus 1 by x by root of x square plus a square is reciprocal. Minus 1 by a square root of x square plus a square by x plus c. Minus root of a square plus x square by a square x plus c. This is the answer. Sixteenth question, f of x is equal to integration of x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus root of 1 plus x square dx. Here f of 0 equal to 0 is given, then find f of 1. F of x equal to integration of x square by 1 plus x square into 1 plus root of 1 plus x square. Here let x equal to tan theta. Let x equal to tan theta. The differentiation dx equal to secant square theta d theta. Dx equal to secant square theta d theta. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You have to substitute in x tan theta, tan square theta, dx secant square theta d theta. Here some steps are directly applied. In x apply tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square theta. 1 plus in x tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta is here root is there secant theta. Here secant square theta get cancelled. Integration of tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 d theta 1 plus secant theta. Tan square theta can be written as secant square theta minus 1 plus secant theta. A square minus b square formula applied. Secant theta plus 1 into secant theta minus 1 by 1 plus secant theta d theta. Here secant theta plus 1 secant theta plus 1 get cancelled. Integration of secant theta minus 1 d theta. Integration of secant x dx formula log mod secant x plus tan x. Log mod secant theta plus tan theta. Integration of 1 d theta plus c. Here secant theta is equal to secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta in trigonometry. Secant theta is equal to root of 1 plus tan square theta. Log mod root of 1 plus tan square theta plus tan theta minus theta plus c. Tan theta is equal to x. Log mod square root of 1 plus x square plus x. X is equal to tan theta equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse x plus c. This value is equal to f of x. F of x is equal to log mod root of 1 plus x square plus x minus tan inverse x plus c. In question is given f of 0 equal to 0. F of 0 equal to 0. Here to apply f of 0, here 0, log 1 value is 0, tan inverse 0 is 0, here plus c equal to 0, then c equal to 0, c value is 0. F of x is equal to log mod root 1 plus x square plus x minus tan inverse x. If f of 0 equal to 0, then c equal to 0. To find f of 1 in x substitute 1 log mod 1 square means 1 plus 1 2 root 2 plus 1 tan inverse 1 value is pi by 4. This is the answer. Question number 17. Integration of x plus cube root x square plus 6 root x by x plus 1 plus cube root x dx. These are the power problems. Integration of x cube root of x square x power 2 by 3 6 root of x power 1 by 6 dx. X into 1 plus cube root of x power 1 by 3. Here to observe that 3 in denominator 3, 6, here also 3. LCM of 3, 6 is 6. LCM of 3, 6 is 6. Let x equal to t power 6. Let x equal to t power 6. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. Dx equal to 6t power 5 dt. 6t power 5 dt. In x substitute t power 6. Here some steps are directly. In x substitute t power 6. T power 6 whole power 2 by 3. 3 ones 3 2 cancel. 2 2 4. T power 4. T power 6 whole power 1 by 6. 6 6 get cancelled. This is t. In dx substitute 6t power 5 dt. In dx substitute 6t power 5 dt. x equal to t power 6 1 plus t power 6 whole power 1 by 3 3 ones 3 2 t square here t power 5 t power 5 t here t is there t power 6 t power 4 plus t 6 constant dt by t into 1 plus t square. Here t also common in numerator. 6 into t is common, t power 5 t cubed plus 1 by t into 1 plus t square dt. T get cancelled. T get cancelled. 6 into integration of t power 5 plus t cubed t power 5 plus t cubed plus 1 by 1 plus t square can be written as t square plus 1 dt. This is improper fraction. Improper fraction divided by t square plus 1 into t power 5 plus t cubed plus 1. T power 5 divided by t square. T cubed into t square t power 5 plus t cubed. Here t power 5 get cancelled, t cubed get cancelled is 1. 6 into integration of t cubed plus 1 by t square plus 1 dt. Integration of t cubed t power 4 by 4. 1 by integration of 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x. This is tan inverse t plus c. T here t is equal to x equal to t power 6. T is equal to x power 1 by 6. T is equal to 6 into x power 1 by 6 whole power 4 by 4 tan inverse of in t substitute t equal to x power 1 by 6 plus c 2 2 2 3 x power 2 by 3. Here multiply with 6 by 4. 6 by 4 x power 2 by 3 plus 6 tan inverse x power 1 by 6 plus c. 2 3s 2 2s. 3 by 2 x power 2 by 3 plus 6 tan inverse x power 1 by 6 plus c. This is the answer. Question number 18. Integration of x power 1 by 3 into 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. To observe that here 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. Fourth root is given. The power is fourth root. Let this entire term equal to t power 4. If fifth root is given, the entire term equal to t power 5. 2 plus letter 2 plus x power 2 by 3 equal to, if fourth root is given, it is equal to 2 t power 4. Differentiate with respect to x on both sides. D by dx of 2 0. X power 2 by 3 2 by 3 x power 2 by 3 minus 1 2 by 3 minus 1 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3 x power minus 1 by 3 dx. T power 4 t cubed dt. Here 2 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 dx equal to 4 t cubed dt. 2 ones 2 2 get cancelled. 3 is cross multiply. 1 by x power 1 by 3 dx equal to 3 into 2 3 into 2 6 t cubed dt. In question 2 plus x power 2 by 3, substitute t power 4. X power 1 by 3, in denominator 1 by x power 1 by 3. In numerator multiply with x power 1 by 3 into x power 1 by 3 by x power 1 by 3. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4 dx. X power 1 by 3, x power 1 by 3, x power 2 by 3. X power 2 by 3 by x power 1 by 3. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4 dx. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 is equal to 2 t power 4. X power 2 by 3 is equal to t power 4 minus 2. T power 4 minus 2. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 t power 4. T power 4 whole power 1 by 4 t. 1 by x power 1 by 3 dx equal to 6 t cubed dt. 6 t cubed dt. T cubed into t power 4. 6 is constant. T power 4 minus 2. T power 4 minus 2. T cubed into t power 4. T power 4 dt. Multiply with t power 4. 6 into t power 4, t power 4. T power 8 minus 2 t power 4 dt. The direct formula. It is in the form of integration of x power n dx. Integration of x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 6 into t power 8, t power 9 by 9 minus 2 into t power 4, t power 5 by 5 plus c. Here t power 4 equal to 2 plus x power 2 by 3. T power 4 equal to 2 plus x power 2 by 3. T equal to 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. Here multiply with 6. 6 by 9. In t replace in t equal to 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4. Whole power 1 by 4 whole power 9. 9 by 4. 6 into 2 12. 12 by 5. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 1 by 4 into whole power 5. 5 by 4 plus c. Here cancelled. 3 to 3 3. 2 by 3. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 9 by 4 minus 12 by 5. 2 plus x power 2 by 3 whole power 5 by 4 plus c.